The Mathis company was founded in 1905 by our great-grandfather George Mathis. He and our great-grandmother Helen actually hand-dug a basement under their home where they started their first shop.
From that, it was heating and ventilation back in the early days in Chicago.
The company's evolved over that time. Each generation, as a steward of our great-grandparents' legacy, has continued to reinvest in the company to the best of each generation's ability, not only just in capital equipment, but in people, and primarily focusing on quality people, understanding that that's what makes our organization so successful. We've focused our efforts to serve OEMs, steel service centers, in a variety of industries from construction to agriculture, mining, defense to chemical industry. We serve anything from Fortune 500 companies to mom and pop fabricators who we partner with to provide close tolerance, long fabricated sections.
The parts that we make can last a generation or two, and we take great pride in our quality and always looking forward to a new challenge. So we start by bringing in sheet and plate. We'll process it a number of ways. We'll thermal cut it, meaning high-def plasma cutting with bevel capability, or laser cutting. Then we also offer forming in various applications, along with welding. One of the things that makes us stand apart is our unique capabilities and the lengths we go up to. We start at 20 foot and go up to 48 foot in all cutting, forming, and welding.
The technology for the equipment that we use is constantly changing. So to stay on top of technology and be able to stay on top of our market.
The products and components we make for our customers are the parts that are building the roads, they're building the buildings, they're building the economy, they're building everything that we are exposed to every day, that get us to work, that get us home from work, that makes the world a better place. A favorite part of my job is seeing customers' success through the fabricated goods we supply them.
I'm proud of being part of a family-owned business, part of a team, and make a difference in manufacturing in today's world.